So everything's finally in. It's literally the next day. Yesterday was Friday. I swapped my tires and I went to that car meet. So if you didn't check out that video, it's the one I uploaded before this. But I've been waiting for these spacers to come in like all week. Well, I already had these. I was just waiting on the studs. So what happens is I have 10mm spacers for the front, then I have 15mm spacers for the rear, and they also sent me 10mm studs for the front and then 15mm studs for the rear. And I think it literally just started pouring outside as we speak. It literally just started pouring outside as we speak. And knowing damn well I'm trying to get these spacers installed on my off day from work. But look how close. Goddamn. Pouring rain. So yeah, summer tires are on. I took off the winters, but I'm honestly just trying to fix the spacing just a little bit, the fitment on these wheels, just to have it poke out just a little bit more. So I'm gonna wait for this rain to die down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install them. Okay, so it seems like it stopped raining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the car and get ready to put those on and see if I can get it done quick. There's also something else I want to fix. My charge pipe. I don't know right here if you guys see like the connection down there, little things connected to. I guess it keeps getting like, I don't know. I think I have to tighten it more, but I'd have to reposition it. I thought I fixed it yesterday, but I guess not. So I'm gonna have to take this off just to get to there, and then unbolt it, and then try to work my way with this. But first, we're gonna install the spacers and get that done. We gotta open up the 15 mils. It's the 15 mil spacer. Yo, that fitment look a lot better. A lot better. Got to do the fronts real quick. Alright boys, these things are on. Let's see how the front looks. Front looks a little bit better, so, and that's how the rear. So, moment of truth. We about to lower this damn thing. The moment of truth. This is how we looking. That looks perfect, bro. Oh my god. Yo, that looks so much better compared to this side. That looks a lot better. Man, comment below what you guys think. You think the spacers helped a little bit versus no spacers? I think it looks 10 times better. No bullshit. But drop a comment below. Tell me what you think. I did 15 in the rear and 10 in the front. And the rain's starting to pick up, so let's get this other side done. It's all on the phone, baby. Yo, yo, that thing's sitting fire, bro. Yo, that is way better. That is sitting a little bit better. I just need a bigger wheel, bro. Once I figure out my wheels and what I'm gonna do for wheels, I think I'm gonna be golden, bro. Cause as of right now, maybe I could have went 15 in the front, but this thing looks pretty good. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go by the shop and I'm gonna see if Weezy can just torque my studs. If he can torque my studs, that would be cool. We'll get this car washed, but I think I'm gonna try to fix the issue I was talking about before, but it's raining, so we're gonna see. Look at that candy, look at that. Oh my god. Yo, I'm in love. I'm about to go take her for a spin real quick. That's crazy. It's the ride height. Okay, so if this can just, you know. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, my car is absolutely freaking filthy on the inside and outside. So what I'm gonna do is, after I get these things, my studs torqued, I'm going to just, since it's raining, I'm just gonna wash off the car, rinse off the car, because I got a lot of dirt on it, and I'm gonna just vacuum my car because this shit is filthy. I'm always here at my damn near alignment shop. Well, I just had them just torque my wheels for me just a little bit, so I don't have no problems with my wheel falling off and none of that bullshit. So I might go wash the whip just to clean it off. It's like really dirty and all that, so we gonna see.
So what do you guys think about the spacers? I was gonna work on the charge pipe, but it's raining out. I rinsed the car off, rinsed my mats. I'm not about to soap it and actually clean it because it's actually raining. I just wanted to get the dirt off. But 15mm spacers in the rear, 10mm in the front, 15mm studs, 10mm studs, all torqued down. Everything's good to go. Rides like a champ. You guys know I'm rocking a lot of camber in the front, and I'm loving the way the wheel pokes out a little bit. Definitely gonna need some new wheels soon, but I am not in a rush. I love the way the stocks look, in my opinion. I don't know why nobody likes the stocks like that, or they want me to paint them black, but in my opinion, this thing looks amazing, yo. And we back with the graffiti on the chains. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go home. I'm pretty sure I uploaded the other video. I don't know if I'm gonna wait a day or just double upload, but your boy, even though it's my off day, I got some work to do because this is what I want to make my real job. And so while I'm not working, I still gotta be working, and that's how we get to where we need to be. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like the new setup. Not really a new setup, but let me know if you like how it's looking with the spacers. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and have a blessed day. Stay blessed.